guys, very welcome to our channel. So in the previous video, that is the day 2 of our series, and in the previous video we're talking about what is trading. And in the video, as we all know, that we are focusing on the Indian stock market. So that is why we'll understand today one of the very important thing in this video. As you can see on the title, that NSE vs BSE. What is NSE? What the hell is BSE? I will tell you exactly from the scratch, so make sure that you watch the video till the end. And so let's get started. Oh, okay. So NSE and BSE is the two major exchange in India in the stock market. Obviously, stock market, as we all know, is something where stocks is traded, not any other currencies, not any other commodities, not any other cryptocurrencies as well. Stock market is dedicated only for the market itself, only for the share market itself. So those who are actually regulated and where the stocks is listed. So before understanding the stock market, I will tell you one very basic thing. Right. So, in which phone or in which laptop you're watching this video? Tell me in the comment sections. It could be in, as my laptop is Lenovo, it could be in Samsung, it could be in Xiaomi, it could be in any of the brand you used. And if you are searching in the Google that these brands have their own listed value in the market. Let's say that you are using your Samsung phone. So you just simply have to go to the Google and search about the Samsung share price. You will see some numbers will occur uh, in your screen. That is what the share value is called. Let's say if you are using a XYZ phone which doesn't have a listed price, which is a private brand, which is not a public brand. In public brand, we can trade, but into a private brand, let's say I have a business. My business have generated 100 crore per year, but I don't have listed my company into the stock market. So if I ask you that can you trade into my company? Obviously, no. If my company is not listed in the stock market, in the Indian stock market, then you cannot trade officially into my business. If I am list my company into the stock market, then everyone who wants to can trade or invest into my company. Then as the perspective of myself, that why I would listed my company into the stock market, obviously one rule, to gain the capital and to expand my business. If you are aware of financial market, then you will notice that before 6th month, there is a edutech platform which is PW Physics Wala. They listed their company into the Indian stock market. So if you search about it, you will find that it has a really value, it has a really share price, and if I want to, then I can obviously trade into their company as well from my house, from just my phone. Okay. So where the PW and other things like that, which I am giving an example of Samsung phone, then where it actually listed, right? So PW is actually listed in a NSE and BSE. The full form is National Stock Exchange, and BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange. Both are the major exchange in India. BSE has more stocks, but BSE is more older than NSE. NSE is really in if I compare them both, there is no comparison of them both. But if I compare, then NSE has more trading. NSE के अंदर ज़्यादा ट्रेडिंग होता है. In BSE there is a less trading, but BSE में there is a lots of penny stocks listed, right? So if you'll see, the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange are India's two major stock exchanges where investors buy and sell securities. Established in 1992, the NSE is known for its high trading volume and the benchmark Nifty 50 index. We'll cover it. Nifty 50, what is Nifty 50, what is Sensex? We'll cover all of them. The BSE founded in 1875. Let's see that the BSE is founded in 1875 and the BSE hold maximum number of stocks, but the NSE is more newer and NSE is trading volume much greater than BSE. The BSE founded in 1875, the Asia's oldest stock exchange, is associated with the Sensex index. Both exchanges offer trading in stocks, derivative in mutual fund, ETFs, and other financial instrument. While most traders prefer the NSE for its liquidity, but the BSE also plays a vital role in Indian financial markets and investment ecosystem. Right. So, what is liquidity? What is derivatives? While mutual fund? What is ETF? We'll cover all of these topics. Make sure that you subscribe our channel and stay with our videos and watch the videos regularly. And I think your confusion is now gone. What is NSE? NSE is National Stock Exchange, where the big companies like Reliance, like SBI, like HDFC, like ICICI, like Nestle, like Eternal, like Swiggy, as I'm giving an example of ITC, then PW, and a lots of other companies are listed into the Indian stock market. So Samsung is basically if I'm not wrong, then it is, I think, Korean brand. So it is listed in the Korean stock market. And Google is a US brand, so it listed in the US stock market. Meta is the US brand, it listed in the US stock market. That is how Reliance Industries, Adani, then and a lots of other stocks is a Indian brand, so it listed in the Indian stock market, right? So I hope you get it. And NSE and BSE plays a major role into the Indian stock market. I hope you get it. If you have any query, ask me in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer them, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.